sandwich day. What's your favorite sandwich? Mine is peanut butter and jelly and turkey.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Molly Plates. Thanks to our friend John in our introduction, he told us that today, November the 3rd, is National Sandwich Day, and his favorite is peanut butter and jelly. So today we're going to make his favorite and the all-American favorite, since it's election day, of peanut butter and jelly. We're going to start with breaking down our ingredients, and then we're going to go over to the farmer's market and pick some up.
Here's some peanut butter facts for you, brought to you by the National Peanut Board. You can also see in the background of this video how you can make your own homemade peanut butter with a blender. The patent for peanut paste was not made by George Washington Carver, but it was patented by John Harvey Kellogg. He made it for geriatric patients because it was easy to swallow without having to chew and had lots of protein. The average European eats less than a tablespoon of peanut butter every year. Americans eat enough to coat the floor of the Grand Canyon. That's a lot of peanut butter. Even though we eat so much peanut butter, it takes fewer than 5 gallons of water to produce 1 ounce of peanuts. It takes 80 gallons of water to produce 1 ounce of almonds. The average American will eat 1,500 pb&js before they graduate high school.
Hey guys, we're at the Ashe County Farmers Market on the back street. It's Saturday morning at 8 a.m. We're going to go see if we can find some jelly and bread.
The Ashe County Farmers Market is located on the back street in downtown West Jefferson. They have produce, homemade goods, homemade crafts, and plants for you to pick up. They're open 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturdays during their season and for good weather. They also have holiday markets throughout the year.
Alright guys, we got our bread and we got jelly. Now we're going to go back up to the library and make our sandwiches. Okay guys, we're back in the kitchen. Here's all the ingredients we need to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's pretty explanatory. You need bread, jelly, and peanut butter. We saw how peanut butter is made and how you can make it at home as well if you have a good blender and some peanuts. And this is the jelly that I got from the farmer's market. These are Helen's products made from the farm, and this is her blueberry habanero jelly, and she also has a ginger pear honey jelly, which both sound really good. I have some whole wheat bread here. I had brought some sourdough bread for the rest of the library staff, and that was made by Miss Linda Bennett, and she makes breads and goodies for the farmer's market as well. So you can go visit her on Saturday at the farmer's market. So let's put them together. According to the National Peanut Board that we've already talked about, the perfect proportion for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich is 2 to 1. So you want a ratio of 2 towards 1 jelly. So we're going to do about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter and spread it on. And then we'll do about 1 tablespoon of jelly. And I'm sure some of you guys have made peanut butter and jellies before. I like to spread mine all the way out to the crust to make sure I get as much peanut butter in every bite. Same thing with the jelly when I get to it. And I do both sides in peanut butter. Okay. And I'm going to use the blueberry habanero jelly. And spread everything out. You guys can make your peanut butter and jellies however you want. If you want to leave us a comment about how you make some special peanut butter and jellies, let us know. You might bring some ideas to some of our other viewers and some of your friends. Alright. There's my peanut butter and jelly. You can always cut it diagonally or across or into sections, so you can roll it up Do whatever you want with it. It's your sandwich, like anything that we bake in here. But I'm just gonna eat it just like it is. That's some wonderful jelly. Alright guys, thanks so much and I'll see you next time.
A big thank you to the Ashe County Farmers Market for letting us come there, Miss Bennett for her wonderful sourdough bread, Helen's Products from the farm for those delicious jellies and jams, and to you for watching our show.